Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. I'll show you a bed, sofa, two-seater sofa, but this is a little different and special for us. First thing is, this is our first order for Israel. The container is ready and all the items are ready, and we are now about to ship the items. So, this is special because a new country added, and this was done after the tariff thing started in US. So, a very recent order, we have completed the entire thing, and everything in this order is different, not in terms of design only but the work. And this has allowed us to really showcase our artistic abilities. If you see the carving work, the designing work, I'll show you in detail, but you can see how beautiful everything has come out. And when we get something with this kind of carving, we usually are very happy because this allows us to show our master skills, the artisan skills, and the amazing artistic level that we are working on. We have a bed here, a two-seater here, we have a jhula and a dining and other items also. And all these items are in different colors, setup, and we'll show you one by one all of them. Here we have a bed. This bed is 6.5 feet left to right and front to back 7 feet. This is a little bigger size without storage. And the design part. This is what I love about this unit. The entire unit is so different. The design is completely different and it's all teak wood. The back, the front, the sides. This part, this middle part is ply, but the rest, everything is teak wood in antique gold paint and a beautiful fabric pattern that you see here. And this is what Arson is doing. Everything again in this order is client's choice, the size, design, color, pattern, everything. And we have done it, and it is right here. I'm showing you in the video. Along with the bed, a two-seater sofa in the same pattern, same design. As you can see, the bed, the sofa design, 3 feet front to back is a little inclined at the back. If you see, that is why it's taking more space. 3 feet front to back, left to right 6 feet. The back height is 4 feet, and the design matches the design of the bed as you can see here. And for the bed, the front part is 42 inches, 3.5 feet. The back height is 5 feet. These are the dimensions of the unit, and then the designing part. Converting the wood pieces, the wood logs, and the wood planks, and then converting it with the artistic abilities, the amazing artistic capabilities we have, and then finally this output, not just the carving part, but the color. If you see the antique gold paint, how beautifully it has come out, and then this cushion part, and now the fitting and everything. And all these people are amazing, talented people who are making these beautiful things for the globe, not just India. We are delivering to 56 countries. The 57th is Israel. We have just added. We'll ship it out, and then I'll start calling 57 countries and more countries we are working on. Recently, we have added a few more countries for the orders. About the designing part, I'm sitting here, and you can see the entire design part, how beautiful it has come out. And this is what we also love in our furniture. It's not just about the furniture, it's about the royal looks, the royalty that we add to any place. And when it will reach the right place with the interiors, with a complete setup, the look will change completely. Because here we have a standard setup. In standard setups, the unit tends to look similar to other units because we have done so many videos, more than 3,000 videos on YouTube now, that we are showcasing with different items and colors and sizes and patterns and models, and everything is as per client's choice. And that is why I call our furniture choice wala furniture. And the choice part involves everything: the size part, the design part, the colors part, the fabric part. If you like some other color, this is a really light color, very light color. But if you want some darker color, pattern color, in fabrics we have got millions of options. The basic part remains the two things: the teak wood, that is for durability, and this furniture will live for years and years, for decades. It will be like this only. Broadly, the two things about arson: first is the teak wood. This is not fiber, this is not resin, this is teak wood, solid teak wood, that is converted to such beautiful thing. And this will last for decades, not just years, for decades. And the second thing is about arson itself: the quality part, the designing part, and the pricing part. Everything we are making here is directly going to the client's place, and that is where the factory price, the best price, comes in picture, because there is no middleman, no trader, no commission agent. So always the best price when you buy directly from the factory. And here we are, Arson, serving you globally, delivering right to your doorstep. You can check our testimonial section on the website, and you will see so many items, so many products that we have delivered across the globe. People have placed them in their homes, in their places, and then clicked the pictures and they sent it back to us. But these pictures that we have received are not just the pictures. These are the testimony to our work, that the work we have done, and also it brings a lot of reference orders. Reference comes when you work good. The work is amazing and the prices are good. And this is what we are doing. One setup is here and thousands of other designs on the website, on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all the social media channels, Facebook. You select what you like. And if you don't like something from this huge catalog, you can design your own units with the AI or some other software and let us know how you want it. So far, it is possible. We will do it. Technically, if there's something, we'll let you know how we can change that. You want some real changes, like you want some logo or something else, or some particular pattern on the furniture. We are doing it for you, and we are delivering right to your doorstep at factory price with a brand of Aarsun. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.